Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix downloading terrain freeze and crashing on Minecraft. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to load up your Minecraft, then you go to options, then you need to go to resource pack and make sure to select default here. And after you do so, then go to video settings and make sure to make lower your render distance. So make it to 12 or less, and then press done. And then the next thing that you need to do here, on search, you need to just write configure Java and make sure your Java is fully updated here, and then update now. And after that, then you need to make sure, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, next thing that you need to do here, you need to just on search write run or press Windows and I key, and then you need to write %sign appdata %sign, and then okay. Then go to Minecraft basically folder here, then go to saves and save all and backup all the worlds that you have here, because when you delete this folder here and if you don't back up your saves, your worlds, saves will gone. So what you need to do here is to copy the folder here and then save it somewhere on your desktop or whatever you like. And then what you need to do here is to delete this Minecraft folder here, go to Minecraft launcher here, run the game, and then the files will be automatically reinstalled. And then you need to go to appdata %sign, then go to Minecraft and replace saves to your backup folder here, right? And after that, you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if you're having the same issue here, what you can do here is to update your GPU and operating system drivers. And to do so, you need to go to on search and then check for updates, and then press check for updates button here. And after that, if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if you running, for example, NVIDIA GPU, there is an app called GeForce Experience. You can download completely for free from official NVIDIA website. Then you need to go to drivers, check for updates, and update your GPU drivers as well. And if you're using AMD, I believe there is an app called AMD Radeon, basically does the same thing like GeForce Experience. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.